Hello everyone, and I just want to say that the project is very close to completion. The only thing I want to do to it is add fake wheels on each side, like big wheels that don't really move, they're just there for the show. Kind of like a carnival train, and then that's exactly where the inspiration of this came from. I just want to use it as a carnival train and make it look abandoned with graffiti and still have a little Thomas to it, just to make it a little more interesting. The reason why I decided to do it this way is, one, is because Thomas stuff is expensive. Second, I just thought it'd be easier and a good idea to change up a bit of my idea about Thomas, the train of what I originally intended to do. Also, to let you know that I'm going to make a cab forward in the future that I'm going to scratch build, and it might be Union Pacific or Norfolk Southern. You can put that in the comments down below of what you think I should do, but I'm going to probably most likely do Union Pacific because I like their paint scheme. But that, like I said, my mind will probably be made up, but my mind changes all the time of what I do with projects. Anyway, it's going to be a dummy locomotive, and it might have batteries or maybe track power because I wouldn't have lights in it. I just want to let you know what will happen in that future video. So yeah, this is Nathan Lee saying goodbye and have a very awesome day.